In these tough economic times, many people are looking for ways to make extra money. One option is to start a side hustle. A side hustle is a small business that you can run in your spare time without quitting your day job. In this video, we'll cover 7 side hustles you can start in 2022. Number 1, rent out your vehicle. Have an extra car that you don't use often? You can make some extra money by renting it out. There are a few things to keep in mind when doing this, such as making sure your car is clean and in good condition, setting a fair price, and being clear about your rental terms. You can list your car on a rental website or app, and people in your area will be able to request to rent it for a set period of time. Number 2, freelancing. There are a number of platforms that allow freelancers to find work, such as Upwork and Fiverr, and there are a variety of skills that can be monetized, from writing and editing to web development and graphic design. If you have a skill that others are willing to pay for, there's a good chance you can find freelance work. Number 3, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. That means that you can work from home and choose your own hours. In order to be successful though, you need to put in some time and effort. You'll need to do some research to find good products to promote, and you'll need to build up a blog or website where you can reach potential customers. But if you're willing to put in the work, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make some extra money. Number 4, subscription website. With a subscription website, you can charge users a monthly fee to access your content. This can be a great way to generate passive income, as you'll continue to receive payments as long as your users remain subscribed. In order to be successful with this model, it's important to offer high-quality content that subscribers will find valuable. You also need to market your site effectively in order to attract paying users. If done properly, a subscription website can be a great way to generate ongoing revenue. Number 5, Airbnb. Airbnb is a platform that allows people to list their homes or rooms for rent. Guests can then browse listings and book a room for their desired dates. Hosts are responsible for maintaining their listing and ensuring that guests have a positive experience. In return, they earn money from each booking. If you're feeling generous, you can even offer discounts to guests who are traveling on a budget. So why not give it a try? You could earn some extra money and help others experience your city at the same time. Number 6, YouTube. With over 1 billion users, YouTube is a great way to reach a large audience with your video content. There are a few different ways to make money through this platform. One is to sell advertising space on your channel. You can also include affiliate links in your videos, which means that you'll earn a commission on any sales that are generated from clicks on those links. Finally, you can also create and sell your own products through your YouTube channel. Number 7, InPerson Services. There are many ways to make money with InPerson Services. One way is to offer your services as a consultant. This could involve helping businesses with their marketing or operations, for example. Another way to make money with InPerson Services is to offer your services as a tutor or teacher. This could involve giving private lessons or leading group classes. There are also opportunities to make money by providing care services such as pet sitting or nannying. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to see more business tips.